Good morning. How are you? I'm sorry, it's been a little while since I've been on live. There's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes here at Sprout Right. And one of the big things, which I've talked about in my newsletter and also here on Facebook, is about my new book, which is launching on July. I always want to say January. I think that's because that's when I started writing it. On July the 23rd. So although I have a skylight in my office, it is blasting down on my existing book, Sprout Right, which at the moment is still available and still super appropriate for all new moms and parents that are out there. But the other big, huge reveal that just went thump on my doorstep earlier this week is ready. I wish I had a drum roll in the background because it totally deserves it. Ta-da! So this is let me go back a little bit. This is the new Sprout Right family food. And I've got this on mirror so that you can see it. So excuse me while I try and go back and forth. But so this is it. Here's the spine, here's the back with some of the beautiful photography, some very, very kind words from colleagues, some beautiful endorsements that have been written there. And then all throughout the book, there's me on the back, and then all throughout the book is a million recipes, 130 actually. I won't, well, what have we got here? This is the granola. Oh gosh, there's so much, and I've totally forgotten to put in the link for you. I will put the link in down below. So just some absolutely beautiful photography that is going that we did to put into the book. So lots to whet your appetite, lots to say, please make me for the family, make this for my kids, make this for me as the parent, and also as your kids get older, have them make so many of the recipes. So hang on, sorry, let me go back again. Like I said, it's a mirror. It's like working with a mirror, putting on your mascara in the mirror until you get used to it. So there's a beautiful picture here, which is one of my favorites of the kitchen that we used, and then there is, where is yours truly? There's that's the overnight French toast, just to whet your appetite. You're gonna have to get the book to see what these guys are. It's not available until, as I said, January the 23rd, but there's a shot of me in there too. So sneak peek of Sprout Right family food one more time, because it just has to be shown. And it is a heavy, you can sort of, it's different. The pages are just glossy and beautiful, and there's so many colors on there to really keep you going. And it's still starting from birth, goes all the way through to when your family is growing, maybe more children, or your children are growing up and you're getting into school age kids. You have to make those darn lunches because that's always a fun thing to do. So lots and lots and lots. And then, of course, get dinner on the table as a working parent. Thank you. Thank you so much. So nice to see you on here, Liza. So really super excited. So I will put the link in below for you to pre-order. It's available for pre-order on Amazon. Sproutright.com is getting a complete overhaul and new site, which is also going on in the background. And there's my puppy, Lexi, our dog outside, just telling the world that, no, you can't come in my backyard. Because that's where my office is. My home office is just backs onto the park, and it's so beautiful outside that I've got the door open to make the most of it. So thank you. I would love it if you shared this with your community, your friends, as many people as possible, and then they can click on the link to pre-order, or I'll let you know once it's available on sproutright.com, and then it will be out to the books, to all book publishers and all of those kind of things. So thank you so much. Sorry for the background barking going on. And I don't know there must be someone out there, she thinks. I think it's garbage day or something. I'm just going to run to the front now just to tell them off there too. So thank you so much for jumping on this live with me, and I'll be in touch again when there might be a pre-order or there's an event coming up. So whatever it is that's coming up, but I just wanted to share that with you because it's super exciting. It's here, it's done. All the words, oh my gosh, all the words that are in here are just insane. I don't even know. I lost count how many there were. I did a word count one, and it was 60 over 60 something thousand. It's kind of crazy. So anyway, thank you so much, and have a beautiful day.